Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Unique Braid. Old subscriber, thank you very much for staying with us, and new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In today's video, I'll be making a straight all back cornrow braid. Just watch how I parted it. First of all, I parted the hair into two from the center. I started making the other part that I've already finished from the center to the ear part of the hair. This is me trying to make the second part of the hair, and I started it again from the center. This way it gives you a perfect straight cornrow without any issue. Watch this video to the end, see how the braid come outside. Drop it in the comment section if really the cornrow is straight, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. Don't forget to share it for more tutorials. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you'll be updated on our new videos. This channel is all about tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.